Schneider saying she's not going to extend this offer again, it's off the table. You understand that? Okay.
But I'm saying, why would I take something when I know I had to do nothing?
Well,
That's
that,
stupid.
listen.
What evidence do they have for me to take something?
All right, so.
Where's the DNA at? Where's the
So-
sign of entry penetration? Where's the so-called video they have? Where is it? What's the evidence? What
You can't
evidence do
say that
have?
on
Let me
board.
know. What evidence do you have? What evidence have?
Ms. Schneider says you gave a statement admitting that you had
That
intercourse
don't mean
with
Where's the evidence? She said she was raped. All that. She said she was raped. Where's the evidence showing that she was raped? Where's that evidence at?
They don't got it.
I
What I said. I don't really matter what I said.
imagine what Ms. Schneider believes is
go?
gonna take
I
place.
didn't see nothing.
She's
You
going
said-
to
you said
take
they
the
don't got
witness
it.
stand
I heard that.
here,
Go.
tell
She
the
gonna take
jury,
it.
Go.
and tell the jury
She
under
might
oath.
go back.
No,
Tell
it's
the
gonna go.
jury,
I heard.
tell the jury under oath that you had non-consensual sex with her.
They have a couple of audio and videotapes that show that she was being beaten profusely while being told that she used to perform sexual acts. on
No.
her.
Where is the fact? She said she was held down and raped. Where the is the evidence at? You still avoiding that question.
Judge, we're clearly going to trial.
All right, so we don't need a status conference. All right, so, I take it.
I don't know. Let me think about it. I don't know.
I take it, Mr. Woolfork, that you're not interested in Ms. Schneider's offer, so I don't need to have a status conference on the
I don't know.
25th?
I think about it. I think about
No,
it.
he told me when I first gave him the offer, what he wanted me to do is, in theory, take the deposition first, then ask for a counteroffer. And I told him the counteroffer can't be probation, obviously, it would have to be something close, maybe to the 15. So that was what we were trying to do, but I'll talk to him before the deposition. I'll listen.
All right, well, I don't need to have a status conference, because if, before the deposition, he decides that he wants to
I'll say
take
that.
this offer, then you'll cancel the deposition, and I'm in court that entire week. You can set it on any day that week, even on my calendar call day, on the 18th. If he wants to take his plea the day before the deposition, I'll do it, but once he goes ahead on the 19th, that's it. There's no offer, we're done. And, well, I think what we should do is maybe status this on July the, let's still status it on the 24th, because at that point, if you need to take the deposition of Singleton and Montez, I'll sign transport orders that day, okay? We'll bring them here, instead of you going wherever they are. We'll bring them here, and we'll keep them here until we go to trial, because we can go to trial within 2 weeks or 3 weeks after the transport.
Right, probably will be.
Okay, and then we'll just keep them here, you can take your deposition at jail, you'll get the transcripts, I'll give you time to get transcripts, and we'll try and go to trial in July. Okay?
The only obstacle I have is July 1st and May 3rd. That only got a few days.
That's fine. Let's get this thing running. Okay?
Thank you, Ron.
All right. Okay. All right.
And he
I'll-
Mr. Schneider.
Fell on
Almeida.